ఎవరైనా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యారా? ఆన్లైన్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యారా? వినిపిస్తుందా వాయిస్? హలో. Yeah, now is it clear? Online guys? Yeah, all right. We need to create the Maven project. In this Maven project, we need to set up pom.xml. We need to set up pom.xml. See guys, the pom.xml, the first one, if you want to do the setup, what we need to, what type of dependencies we need. Generally, TestNG is required and Selenium with Java required, log4j is required, okay, and rest assured JUnit not required. We are not doing the Cucumber is required, JUnit, okay, rest assured dependency is required, okay. So these are all dependencies required. See, first of all, if I want to get the dependencies, where I need to get? Yeah, we need to go to the Maven repository. Maven repository. In this Maven repository, see the first one, Selenium with Java. Okay. See, just we need to get the latest one and copy this one. And here you need to provide dependencies. Under dependencies, you need to provide the dependency. We need to provide the dependency. And after that, we need to download TestNG. We need to click on the TestNG, get the latest version 7.8 and copy and provide the TestNG. Once you guys are provide the TestNG, and you need to provide rest assured. Rest assured. This is the rest assured. And click on rest assured 5.4, copy and paste it. Copy and paste it. Once rest assured is done, we need to do the control S. Once you guys are do the control S, automatically whatever you provided, all dependencies related jars will be reflected under this project. Under this project. And after that, you guys are do the Maven clean. After that, you guys are able to do the Maven clean. The build is success. The build is success. Is it clear or not? It is clear or not? If you want to create the API automation project, first of all, we need to create Maven project. Under this Maven project, we need to set up the pom.xml. In pom.xml, we need to provide Selenium with Java. We need to provide test ng. We need to provide rest assured. And one more thing, guys, we need to provide Gherkin. We need to provide Gherkin. See, this Gherkin also we need to add. This Gherkin also we need to add. So once you guys are creating the Gherkin, we got a error. Okay. Now I need to execute run as Maven clean. Build is success. Okay. Then you guys are go to the SRC where we need to create the package. Where we need to create the package in Maven. Tester. SRC test Java. Right click on here and create the package. The package name com.nourish.api. Just you need to provide, and we need to create a class. Which class we are able to create? We need to create a testng class. Okay, we need to create a testng class. Class name get method. Okay, class name get method. Just you want to click on the finish. Okay, up to now you guys are able to understand. Okay, what type of dependencies is required? Rest assured and Gherkin. Okay, very good. See, after that, it is very, very important. Manually, we need to add some dependencies. Manually, we need to add some dependencies or import some dependencies. What type of dependencies we are able to import? The first one, rest assured. Second one, rest assured matchers, and Hamcrast. This three is important for the API. First one, rest assured. Second one, rest assured Hamcrast. Third one, rest assured matchers. Okay. See, these three imports is mandatory. Import IO dot. See guys, IO dot rest assured. Okay. Import IO dot rest assured. Import static IO dot rest assured. Yeah. IO dot rest assured dot. See below matchers. Star colon. Control S. Import or organize. Okay. I will provide this for matchers and this one you guys are copy paste. Okay. Import static. See guys, this three is mandatory. You guys are copy paste. Rest assured matcher, rest assured Azure matchers and ham crashed. Okay. This three is important for that API. Okay. If you guys are write any automation API command, must and should we need to add these three imports. It is mandatory, guys. Control S. Okay. See, once you guys are import the these three rest assured and matchers and hamcrest. Once you guys are import the file, the next one in this API automation, we are able to use Gherkin language. We are able to use Gherkin language. What is the Gherkin language? What is the Gherkin language? Yeah, first of all, we need to use given. Under this given, what type of content we are able to provide under the given? Launch is not there. Here, backend testing. Okay. Under the given, what type of content we are able to provide? First one, content to type and cookies. If you want to provide any auth 1.0 and O auth 2.0, okay, we are able to provide content type and cookies and parameters, okay, and any parameters. If you want to add any parameters also, you need to provide under given. Authentication related, if you want to provide any authentication related, if you want to add any parameters, if you want to provide any content to type, we need to provide under given. And after that, what is the next Gherkin language? When. What we need to provide under when? When we need to provide the request. When we need to provide the request. After when? Request means, what is that request? Get to, put, post, yeah, patch. Okay, patch and payload. So this is we need to provide under when. The next one, okay, the next one, then. Under then, what we need to provide? It is visible clearly screen. Shall I need to change, improve the font size? Now it is clear. Yeah. Under then what we need to provide? Can this number into? Yeah. Under then what we need to provide? Under then we need to provide validation. Under then we need to provide validation. This is the process in API automation. In API automation, this is the process. Yeah, it is very important, guys. If you want to write a automation script for API, how you people are able to write? You people are able to set up the project your own, yourself. They will ask. If you want to set up your project, what type of dependencies is required? They will ask. Once set up the project in this class, if you want to import any file, yes, it is we are able to import. What is the first one? Rest assured. Second one, matches. Third one, hamcrest. This three is important. Okay, don't forget. And after that, they will ask if you want to provide the given, under given, what we need to provide, they will ask. In this given, I am able to provide header. Under this given, we are able to provide content type. Under this given, we are able to provide any authentication related. Under this given, we are able to provide the parameter. Under this given, we are able to provide, if you want to add any data, we are able to provide the parameters. The next one, when. Under the when, we need to provide the request. Get to put to post patch and delete. Under the then, we need to provide the validation. What I need to validate? What I need to validate? Oh, I said in Postman. What? Yes. Status code. Sorry. Response body. Header. Response body. Header. Response time. Okay. Four. Response body. Status code. Status time. And the content to type header. Okay. Is it clear or not? It is clear or not? Okay. Your first one, which method we need to write? Get method. Okay. We need to write get a method. You guys are observe clearly, guys. What is the get? What is the get I am asking? Yes. Get the resource from the database. Get the response from the database. I want some employees information. If I want some employees information, I want to get the information. How I want to get the information? We need to provide the request. Which request? Which request? Get request. Okay. See, here I need to provide the header. Here I need to provide the header, headers. not a header. And once I provide the header, I need to provide the request. Which request? If I want to provide the request, which method I need to use? If I want to provide the request, which method, which Gherkin language I need to provide? Yes, I said clearly here. This is the content type. This is the when. Okay. See, now dot. We need to provide dot here. When I need to provide the request. Which request I need to provide? Get. Okay. In this get, within the double quote, go to your application. The API, dummy APIs. We need to open the dummy APIs. Practice API. This one. So I want to get the complete information about the employees. Copy and paste it. Change, then add cost. And after that, we need to provide dot, then given 1 minute, given we need to provide the header. Okay. And under a header, we need to provide in the double quote content to type. What is the content type, guys? Do you have any idea? Huh? Correct. Application JSON. Okay. Application JSON dot when. That's it. Okay. So given, under given, we need to provide header. Under given, we need to provide header. After that, you guys are provide when. After that, you guys are provide when. Under when, we need to provide the request. We need to provide the request. After that, what I need to do? Huh? Then see, when I entered like this here, you guys are observed. What happened? Validate, valuable, validatable response. Okay. So you guys are provide the then, and we need to provide validation. What I need to validate? Log dot all. Everything I need to validate log. What I need to log? Everything I need to log. Page number 2. How many employees is there? Complete data I want to print in my console. It is clear or not? You are able to understand? What I what is my expected response? What is my query? What is my query? Huh? Page 2. My query is page 2. So I want to get the page 2. I want to get the page 2. See, what I need to get? Every employee information I want to get. Log dot all. Log dot all. It is clear or not? It is clear? Yeah. So just a minute online, guys. Line number 27. That is I am explained Devendra. Okay. If I want to get all employees data, I need to provide log dot all. I want to get the complete employees information. Okay. Complete employees information. So now I will execute, right click on here, run as one test engine. You guys are up so complete employee information is there or not? Status code. If you want to get the status code, dot status code. What is your status code? 200. Run as one test engine. See, get all, log all information, the query related each and every information we are able to get. See, the query related complete data, content type application JSON and a header connection. How many headers is there? Connections is there. And everything is we are able to get here. URL and every data we are able to get here. Log all means whatever you provide the request related all information we are able to get. If you want to provide dot log all, the request related, the query related, all information we are able to get. It is clear. Everyone is clear. Any doubt, guys, on this? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will explain one more time. Do you have any doubt? Everything is clear? Clear? Yeah, right on. API automation. API automation. Yeah, right on. If we want to do the API automation, if we want to do the API automation, we need to create, if we want to do the API automation, we need to create Maven project. We need to create Maven project. Once we create the Maven project, once we create the Maven project, we need to add the we need to add the below dependencies. We need to add the below dependencies. Okay. Yeah. First one, Selenium with the Java. Second one, second one, test ng. Third one, rest assure. Fourth one, Gherkin language. Fourth one, Gherkin language. Yeah. Next, once we create the testng class in Maven project, once we create the once we create the testng class in Maven project, we need to we need to add below we need to add below imports. We need to add below imports. See guys, you guys are at this below imports. This three is important. You guys are right on online and offline. They're not. Hmm? Is done. Yeah. Now, see guys, I want to validate different thing here. Body. The first one is the which one I want to validate? Page two. And here, page two equal to second page. Yeah. See, we have a different pages is there. I want to validate page number two. I want to validate page number two. See, body, I want to validate page number two. See guys, everything I want to validate the body. What I am expecting, everything we are able to get the body. In API also we are able to get this process or not? Same process or not? So in API Postman also we are able to get same process, and automation also we are able to get same process. Okay. See, if you guys are able to do the post method, post means create, create. See, if you want to do the post method in automation, we need to use hash map. See, by using hash map, what I need to do? By using hash map, what I need to do? If I want to add the data, how I need to add the data in hash map? Hmm? I said in hash map. Voice. If we want to add any data in hash map, which method we need to use? Voice. Hmm. Yeah, I want to add the data. I want to store the data in different ways. By using arrays is possible. Okay. By using hash map is possible. By using hash map, we need to use put method. We need to use put method. How you guys are able to use the hash map? Just I want to create the data. I want to create the data. Hash map data equals to new hash map like this. Just you need to import hash map. See guys, hash map import. Once you guys are import the hash map, we need to provide the data. We need to provide the data. See, what is the hash map variable name? Data. Hash map variable name, data. I need to use put method. See, hash map is nothing but a collection of keys and values. The hash map is nothing but a collection of keys and value. Key is nothing but a key is nothing but a data. Okay. Value is nothing but a numbers. By using key, we are able to store the data. By using value, we are able to store the value. Is it clear or not? Yeah. So here I need to use put method. By using put method, the first one is the name. Just I will provide. Okay. The next one, data dot put, and here we need to provide role. Okay. See, I want to store the data. First of all, I want to store the data. I store the data. What I am expecting name and role, I stored already. Once I store the data, once I store the data, I need to use which method, which Gherkin language? First Gherkin language. It is common. Without given, we are unable to use when, then. First given is common. Is it clear? Under given, what I need to provide? Just I want to provide the content to type. What is the content to type? Yes. Application slash JSON. Okay. Just I want to get the body. What I was provided, name and role, that information I want to print inside of the console. I want to print inside of the console. So dot dot body body, we need to provide data. We need to provide data. See, body inside of the console, I want to print what I was trying to create, the data I want to print. Is it clear or not? What I was trying to create, the data I want to print. So here I provided given content type and data and body. Okay. So after that, I need to use method. Which method? If I want to provide the request, I need to use when. When. Which request I need to provide? Which request I need to provide? Which request I need to provide? Oi. Here I created clearly post, but you people are already get done. Okay. Post. Observe. Both is important. Just I need to provide the post. In this post, I need to go to application, just create request, copy and provide here. It is clear or not? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? So once we provide the request, what I need to do? Request I need to provide. After that, I need to do the validation. Validate response. The first one, status code. I want to validate a common. Okay. And I will verify status line. Status line or status time we are expecting. Time, just we need to provide 3000 seconds. Okay, 3000 seconds. Time, response time, match long string, then match. And after that, body. Already body is completed. And after that, log dot log dot. Okay. log dot all, log dot all, log dot all. Is it clear or not? First one, line number 37, create the object for the hash map. Is it clear? Line number 38 and 39, store the data. Basically, in API Postman, if you want to provide within the curly braces, within the double code, we need to provide the data. So in automation, we need to provide by using hash map. See, hash map variable name data dot. If you want to add the data, we need to use put method. By using put method, we are able to add the name and role. That is, you need to add bunch of data, role under date and joining date. If you want to add, okay, dot put, you need to provide the join of date, okay, and you guys are able to provide here 12 and 02 and here 2012. This is the joining date. So name is there, role is there, joining date is there. And after that, once I provide the name or everything, once I provide advanced method, semicolon, very good. Okay. So I need to provide the given. Under given, what I need to provide, content type I will provide. I provided here body also. See why I need to provide the body. Body means parameter. What I was provided parameter. Which parameter? Name, role, data, join. The parameters I want to print inside of the console. If I want to print inside of the console, I need to use that process. Content to type and the data. And after that, I need to use when. After that, I need to use when. What is the when? Provide the request. Provide the request. And once you guys are provide the request, after that, what I was using, then validation. Okay. So validation, basically we are able to validate header content type already is done. Content type I provided in given. And after that status code is done. Okay. And status line, status time and response body. So when you are providing the log dot all, every data we are able to get, every data we are able to get. It is clear or not? Clear? Okay. I will execute. We got some issue. What is that one? Illegal statement exception. Okay. Illegal statement exception. So I no need to execute this one. The time what I need to do. Hmm? What is that one? I no need to execute. But what I'm telling, I no need to execute out of two test cases, one test case. In test engine, what I'm saying, I said or not? What I'm saying? Yes. Book juice finally. Enabled equal to false. Enabled equal to false. If you want to skip any type of test case, we need to use enabled equal to false. The time this test case is not executed, Only this one will be executed. I got a mistake. Pass and failure one. Illegal statement exception. So where I did the mistake, illegal statement means some spelling or any uppercase or lowercase, anything is missed. We got a illegal statement exception. This is the post test at the rate test. It is clear. Content type is clear. Application JSON and body. No, this is John. Maybe okay. Just we'll put the comment. Yeah, this is not an issue. This method I no need to execute. Serialize the font in class path. Please put establish class path. Control S. What is that one? URL also we provided. Application JSON data body when, but everything is fine. Okay, just a minute. Control S. We got a frame and here hash map data dot put just a minute. Control S. See this one also enter illegal. Some mistake, any spelling or anything is mistake is there, then it is not executed. Illegal statement means I said types of exception. Okay, illegal statement exception. If you guys are do any mistake, the time we are able to get illegal statement exception. Okay, done. I will remove this one. Post. Done. Data dot put. We need to use name. We need to use, and I will provide here. Right click on here. Run here. We did the when enter when and everything is fine. Huh? Given a given when then. Correct. I want to put the comment here also. This time to provide. Okay, I got it. Validation is not required. What we need to validate, just click on proceeding. Some error. Any, yes, here error is there. So I click run. I think now it is executed. Here also illegal statement. Given content type, status code, and here we got a illegal statement exception. Yes. Just a minute. I will provide the priority. Priority equal to 1. Okay. Once I need to execute, 1 minute. J equal to new. Just we need to import. Object JS1. No, we need to create a JSON. Secretly, we are executing hash map. Body content type given. Sorry. No. Dot, not a dot given. We no need to provide any dot given. Only given is you need to provide remaining everything you need to provide the dots. Illegal statement exception. We got a illegal statement exception. Anything, any spelling or any some different method if we are using the time we got a data is the illegal statement. Okay. So then that's now I will validate. See, what is the root cause error? You need to verify. That is mandate. Okay, if we got a error, okay, you can do next time. Okay, don't if it is taking some time, but you need to identify the error. If you people are identify on the spot, next time it is very easy to rectify the issue. Okay. So don't forget that is created. That is created. So I need to provide here. Right click on here. Run as. You guys are able to understand or not? You are able to understand or not? Guys, you are able to understand or not? What is the employee ID? Huh? 215. Employee ID 215. What is which method we are using? Post. Post is nothing but so created at the time and everything will be reflected. So employee ID is the 215. See, you guys are observe status code 201 create. Okay. When I created everything will be reflected. Content type. When I provide the log dot all everything will be reflected. So what is the main issue here? We provided dot body data. We provided dot body data. So you no need to use given body. Clear? What is the notes? Now it is you people are able to understand or not? Everybody clear? Okay. If you want to store the data, we need to use hash map. By using hash map, given is the content type, any username and password, any parameters, when is the request, and then is the validate. Is it clear? Take the screenshots. And everything I shared, documentation, my end any pending, anything is pending. Yeah, I know. Once complete the API, I will provide Cucumber. This is backend testing. Okay, we no need to provide any URLs or anything. So this is the backend testing. Right. Down now. Up or down now? Up. Down. Okay. Then any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt? Up. You guys are create the Cucumber project. Everybody online, online guys. You guys are created a Cucumber project. Offline, anybody is spending Cucumber project. You guys are created or not? First bench. No, you created or not? Second, no. Why? Already I shared dependencies also. So today you can create. Then you guys, Cucumber, no practice. You created. What about you? Cucumber, no. You that. Already I shared Cucumber dependencies, guys. Just you need to copy paste the dependencies and create. Just you need to install the plugin, Cucumber plugin and the natural plugin. Okay, it is very important. Cucumber. Nowadays, some people, banking domain people are using Cucumber. So, unfortunately, you people are able to get a banking domain project call. Must and should cucumber is important. Okay. Chapter no responsibility. It's my responsibility. You guys are practice or not. I am unable to identify closely. Is clear or not? Any doubt? Two methods is there pending. Notes is pending. Okay. The notes and the two methods, remaining methods, I will explain tomorrow. Okay. Is clear? Any doubt? And TestNG project you guys are created. TestNG. And TestNG created. TestNG. You TestNG. You guys are created TestNG. TestNG created you guys. Then boys. Then shall I ask one question in TestNG? Hmm? Yeah. I will ask one question in TestNG. What is the difference between the before method, after method? Before method only, very good. After method, before method only execute only. Yeah. Every method before method will execute. After method, what is the difference between the before test and after method? What is the difference between the before test and at the rate test? At the rate test and before test. Which one will execute? At the rate test. Huh? If you want to create the how you guys are able to provide, how you guys are able to create the groups XML in groups XML. What type of content you need to provide under groups? My question is clear. If you want to create the XML for a groups, if you want to create the XML for groups, what type of content you need to provide inside of the XML? Any online? No, no. Groups run include. Okay. If you want to do the cross-browsing testing, what type of, how you guys are able to execute the cross-browsing testing? Practice. Next, next, class common, method common. Next. Huh? Mhm. If you want to execute the cross-browsing testing, we need to create the XML. Inside of the XML, we need to provide the parameter name and value. Name is the browser, value is the expected browser name. Is clear? Where you guys are able to identify the passed test cases and failed test cases in TestNG? Hmm? TestNG, JUnit. This question is there in interview. Sorry, in screening test. No, no, listen carefully. how you guys are verifying passed test cases and failed test cases in testing. This question is there or not? Screening. This question is there. If you want to validate the passed test cases in TestNG, we need to go to target folder and output and index.html. And failed test cases testng.fail. Practice. To practice. Okay, clear? Is it clear or not? Yeah, you guys all need to practice. Thank you very much, guys. I will continue tomorrow. Bye.